Do you wanna learn Korean? Do you wanna know the easy method of learning Korean? Then keep watching this video. Hi, my name is Sanjana. Welcome back to my channel. In previous video we studied about Korean vowels, so let's study Korean consonants in this video. You can find the previous video over here or in the description box below. And also I will share tips of studying Korean, so watch this video till the end. Every week I will upload a new video, so make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button so you won't miss any videos I upload. Alright then, let's get started. Let's see basic consonants. The first consonant sounds G, G, like G in English. Some say it sounds K, but it's actually G, G, like gorilla, good. When you make the G sound, your tongue goes flat. Check if your tongue goes flat by making G sound. The next consonant sound N, N, like N in English. When you make the N sound, the tip of your tongue touches the upper gum ridge slightly. N, N. The next consonant is M, M, like M in English. When you make the sound of this consonant, your upper and lower lips meet and the outline of the lips come in contact with each other. The next one is S, S, like yes in English. When you make the sound of this letter, your upper and lower teeth get closer and blow the wind between them. The last letter has no sound. This consonant has no sound in initial position, but it adds ng sound if it present at final position. For example, a, e. This word becomes a, e because the first consonant has no sound. Let's learn rest of the consonants. These consonants are derived from the few basic consonants. When you make the sound of the derived consonants, your tongue, lips, throat will make the same shape as they do when making the sound of origin consonants. You can write the derived consonants by adding just 1 to 3 strokes to the basic consonants. Left, we have consonants you already learned. Let's see first derived consonant. This sounds K, K, like K in English. It derived from basic consonant G. By drawing one more stroke in the middle of the consonant G, it makes K sound. Check if your tongue makes the same shape when you make the G sound. Let's find out what consonants are derived from N consonants. The first one sounds D, D, like D in English. The second one sounds T, T, like T in English. The third one sounds L, L. This sound is in between L and R sound. Now let's see which consonants are derived from M consonant. The first consonant sounds B, B, like B in English. The second one sounds P, P, like P in English. And this looks exactly same as Roman number 2. Next are the consonants derived from S sound. The first sounds J, J, like J in English. The second one sounds Ch, Ch, like CH in English. When you make a sound of each, you have to blow the wind into the crack between your teeth. And these consonants don't exactly sound same as written in romanization. So try to remember directly from Angul. The next consonant is
H, H,
like H in English. This is the actual order of consonants. G, N, D, L, M, B, S, J, Ch, K, T, P.
H.
Let's see double consonants. There are 5 double consonants. Just write the relevant basic consonants twice as a one letter. The double consonants make stronger sound with stronger air.
G, G, D, D, B, B, S, S, J, J.
Keep watching this video over and over to understand and remember the Angul.
If you like this video, hit that like button and share.